Zeno AI Landing Page Builder Shopify tutorial. Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I will be showing you how to create a Shopify store using AI. To kick things off, you'll need to create a Shopify account. I'll be leaving a link in the description that you can use to access a free trial, and you'll also only need to pay $1 for the first 3 months for your Shopify account. After creating your account, you will be redirected to a dashboard just like this. Once on your dashboard, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to tap on apps. Then you're going to select all recommended apps and you're going to select Shopify App Store. After selecting Shopify App Store, you're going to tap on the search bar at the top of the page and you're going to type in Zeno AI, and you can select Zeno AI Landing Page Builder. And you can see that it is highly rated as it has a 4.9 star ratings, and by scrolling down you can see that you can also use it for free. So what we're going to do is tap on install. After selecting install, you will be prompted to tap on install once more. Once you have done that, you will be redirected to the Zeno Landing Page Builder dashboard. Once on the dashboard, we're going to tap on new page. From here, you can type in your page name. So I'm just going to call it test page. So let me do that real quick. Then you'll tap on create page. After selecting create page, you'll be redirected to a new dashboard. On this new dashboard, you will be able to choose the page template and you can start editing. So to get started, you could go over to the left-hand column. And for example, if you would like to generate it with AI, which this tutorial is about, we're going to tap on generate with AI. Then from there, you can see a banner for our clothing store. We can type in the different sections. So describe section to generate. So I'm just going to type in generate banner for music store. Then we'll tap on generate. And you're going to give it a few seconds while it is being generated, and you can see how it looks right there. Once that is finished, you can add a different row. Again, you could tap on generate with AI, and then from there you can tap here once more and you could type in a different prompt. So let's say, for example, create a product page that converts for music store, and we'll tap on generate, and you'll just give it a few seconds and you can see how it looks. Once everything is to your liking, you can continue generating more sections. After you're finished, you'll tap on save. Once it has been published, you're going to go over to the left hand menu option, tap on online store. Then from there, you're going to tap on pages. And you're going to see the page right there, and you can select the page, then tap on actions, and you're going to tap on make selected pages visible. Once you have done that, you can tap on view page and you can see the page right there. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.